EPLANT-Piping Advanced tutorial. This presentation shows how to manually load piping material. This option has several purposes, for example to allow loading estimated material quantities for budget or to buy estimated quantities in advance before the creation of 3D models. Material loaded in this way is 100% compatible with material generated in 3D models, because it's validated using the same piping specifications. We gain access with this option. This window opens. We can see that the material is assigned to a piping specifications class and to an insulation class if required. We can define as references a file name and a piping line as well. The material is loaded selecting the component code in a menu built using only components enabled in the selected class. The diameter range in the range defined by the selected component. Diameter selection displays data defined in the class. To finish, we need to specify the total quantity of this component, and this allows calculating the weight and the painting area. And we can continue it with another component. We select now a gate valve. And now a slip-on flange. The missing of the corresponding weight table does not preclude loading this component. It is only warning that the weight cannot automatically set. In any way, the weight can be manually loaded as well. Let's exit this command. This option applies a filter over the material table and shows material manually loaded only. This material could be changed and deleted. In case the manual material is associated to piping lines, this option is quite handy because it can delete all the material associated to the selected line. If now we try to look at the material manually loaded, we can see that there is none left.